Alright, welcome. Today I'm going to be breaking in this Weber grill. I got this relatively recently. Going to be doing some grilled salmon on it. So this will be my first cooking video on the grill. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, here's the salmon fillet. I just put some bay seasoning, some black pepper, some olive oil. Let it sit out for about a half hour at room temp, and we're just going to throw it right on the grill. Skin side down. I'm going to do about 12 minutes or so, and then I'll check on it. You don't want to go too long. I'm going to put the cover back on, give it about 12 minutes, and then check it. I might flip it for a few. I'll be right back. Alright, check it out. It's been on here about 10 minutes or so. I'm going to give it a quick flip for, I don't know, maybe 2 to 4 minutes, somewhere in there. It's a pretty thick piece of salmon, so probably closer to 4 minutes. But really, if your grill's pretty hot, this should take no longer than 12 to 15 minutes to cook. Alright, I'll check back in a few when it's done. Alright, check this out. I toasted a bagel, put on some cream cheese there, and touched it off with some of these capers I got over here. So it's kind of like a pseudo lox style, if you will. But anyway, yeah, this was smoked salmon from the grill. First time giving it a go. Came out pretty good. And yeah, this is not my typical video. I kind of did this last minute as an experiment, but came out good. Hope you guys enjoy.